Is it time to buy or sell the SPY ETF? In this video, we will explore SPY in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 8th of November, 2024, and now we aim to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You won't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please remember that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 5th of November, 2024, our system has categorized SPY as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of 0. Now let's examine the ETF's performance during this time frame. The ETF has shown natural fluctuations, achieving a gain of 3.74%. This results in an average return of 0.94% per day since it was classified as hold or accumulate. A score of 0 indicates that our system predicts high volatility and risk for the upcoming trading day. In light of the recent developments, we are unable to ascertain the ETF's next direction, as it could move in either direction. The exchange-traded fund has broken through a narrow and weak short-term rising trend, indicating an even stronger rate of increase. Should there be any pullback, support will now be found at the ceiling of the current trend, previously broken at $595.32. This level may present a second opportunity for a significant gain. According to fan theory, $621.18 will serve as the next possible peak level, likely acting as a resistance that may not be surpassed on the first attempt. The current 3-month trend indicates a potential change of approximately 7.46% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 2.29% to 6.94%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it suggests a change of around 26.68% over the next year, with a potential return between 16.89% and 28.44%. This translates to a price range of $699.28 to $768.37 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for the SPY includes the headline, SPY ETF price up approximately 0.457% on Friday. The SPY ETF price increased by approximately 0.457% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 8th of November, 2024. It rose from $595.52 to $598.24. This marks 4 consecutive days of gains. It will be interesting to see if this upward trend continues or if it takes a brief pause in the coming days. During the last trading session, the ETF experienced fluctuations of 0.581%, ranging from a low of $596.17 to a high of $599.63. The price has increased in 7 out of the last 10 days and shows a rise of 3.32% over the past 2 weeks. Volume decreased by 2 million shares on the last day, with a total of 39 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $23.34 billion. It is important to note that declining volume amid rising prices can indicate divergence and may serve as an early warning of potential changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $599.63, while the lowest price stood at $433.83. Currently, the price is 0.23%, or $1.39, below the 52-week high of $599.63, which also represents the all-time high for the ETF. The S&P 500 has officially crossed the 6,000-point mark for the first time, achieving this milestone in record time following Donald Trump's recent presidential victory. This rally reflects significant investor optimism, fueled by a favorable economic environment, which includes a recent interest rate cut by the Federal Reserve. The index has gained approximately 1,000 points in a remarkably short period, highlighting strong market sentiment. As of today, the S&P is trading about 0.6% higher, contributing to a week filled with market milestones. The robust earnings of major companies, such as Axon Enterprise, which exceeded quarterly estimates and raised its revenue outlook, further bolster this optimistic tone. These performance indicators, along with the expected regulatory changes under the new administration, suggest additional upside potential for U.S. equities. In the short term, this bullish phase may attract more investors looking to capitalize on the momentum, potentially lifting the SPY and other related exchange-traded funds. Looking ahead to 2025, forecasts remain positive, indicating that the underlying fundamentals, combined with investor sentiment, could sustain this upward trajectory. The market's ability to maintain these gains will largely depend on continued economic stability and growth in corporate earnings. Overall, the significant milestone of 6,000 not only reflects current strength, but also sets the stage for potential long-term growth in the index and related investment vehicles. The following signals have been identified for SPY. The SPY exchange-traded fund holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive forecast for the ETF. Additionally, there is a general buy signal from the relationship between these two signals, where the short-term average is above the long-term average. During any corrections downwards, there will be support at $581.55 and $577.45. A breakdown below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Friday, the 6th of September, 2024, and so far it has risen by 10.7%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Volume decreased during the last trading day, despite rising prices, creating a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning. The ETF should be monitored closely. Some negative signals have also been issued, which may impact the near short-term development. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, buy signal, recorded 46 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal, noted 1 day ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal, observed 5 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal, also noted 5 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages indicated a buy signal seen 59 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, buy signal, identified 4 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal, identified 67 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages indicated a buy signal, noted 241 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for SPY. SPY finds support from accumulated volume at 570.98, and this level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. Generally, the exchange-traded fund tends to exhibit controlled movements, and with good liquidity, the risk is regarded as very low in this fund. During the last day, the fund fluctuated 3.47 between its high and low, or 0.581%. Over the past week, the fund has experienced an average daily volatility of 0.84%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SPY. There is no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which indicates that the exchange-traded fund could move upward swiftly under the right conditions. In this scenario, you may want to enter a position and use volume to determine when to exit. On the downside, SPY encounters its first support level at 570.98. If this support level holds, it could serve as a favorable entry point anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $578.86, reflecting a decrease of 3.24%. This exchange-traded fund has very low daily fluctuations, resulting in minimal risk. Additionally, there is a buy signal indicated by a pivot bottom identified 45 days ago. Is the SPY exchange-traded fund a good investment? The SPY ETF shows several positive indicators. However, we do not find these sufficient to classify it as a strong buy candidate at this time. Currently, it should be viewed as a hold or accumulate option while we await further developments. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Monday, the 11th of November, we anticipate that SPY will open lower by 228/10,000ths of a dollar, starting at $598.01. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions to buy or sell securities. Your investment choices should not rely solely on information from StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With regards from all of us here at StockInvest.